Hello, today, I'll show you how to create tables and databases using HeidiSQL. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, launch the HeidiSQL application and go to the Databases tab on the left side. Here, you'll see your existing databases. Now, think of the name for the new database you want to create. For example, let's say we want to create a database named CompanyDB. You can configure other settings optionally. Finally, click the OK button to create this new database. Now, you have a database named CompanyDB. Next, select the CompanyDB database on the left. Here, right-click to open a context menu and choose Create New. In the opened window, type Department in the Table Name field. Here, click the plus symbol in the bottom left corner to add new columns. Name the first column Department ID, choose the type as INT, and check Primary Key and Auto Increment options. Name the other column Department Name and set the type to varchar. Finally, click the Save button to create this table. Click the plus symbol in the bottom left corner to add new columns. Name the first column Personnel ID, choose the type as INT, and check Primary Key and Auto Increment options. Name the other columns First Name and Last Name, set their types to varchar. Finally, add another column named Department ID with the type INT. Now, go to the Foreign Keys tab. Click the plus symbol on the left to add a new index. Name the index and set the type as Foreign. In the Reference Table field, select the Department table. In the Foreign Columns field, select Department ID. Finally, click the Save button to create this table. Now you have a new table named Personnel. In the next step, I'll show you how to add data to this table. In the HeidiSQL application, click on the Query tab in the top menu to open a new query window. Add the insert queries I provided in the description to the window and then click the Run button to execute the queries.